Okay, let's go. Okay. Yeah. Give me all the money. Where's the key? Oh. Looks like you're gonna die. I hate you, stupid little rabbits. Tarantula's hiding in the vase. I don't like you, Mr. Snake. Just give up. Wanna have to kill you, but I will, stupid little creatures. Like, what is the story of this game? It's a trap. Oh, I hate trap rooms. A key. Open doors. What's this? Get down. Off button press. What does that do, though? I gotta see what these items do. Either you guys can tell me in the comments, but, Okay. Now, most of the time, on the first floor, you want the beggar. What's the beggar? A small chest who will eat your money for you. When you get to him, he has a chance of giving you an item. And when you do that, you have a chance of getting a really bad item. Although, it's really slim unless you've got a lot of items from him. It still has happened to me. So, that's why I want to find it on either the first or second floor. Because when I saw how everything looked dark and I couldn't... Bunny! Die! Thanks for the money, Bunny. Da-da-da. Also, you notice my face cam is gone. Well, sorry about that. My camera farted and died. I would have played a game about a bullet hell game. Okay, first off, sorry, my charger has to stay plugged in. Oh god, what the heck? Where is it? Oh, he turns in. Oh! Where's it? Oh, thought you could trick me. And he's dead. Lost a heart on the first floor, but that's okay. I don't care, ads. Probably just gonna edit the first second ad out. Crap. Okay. See, I'm terrible at this game. Oh, God! Anyway, I'll be making more videos now, but my camera's still messed up. I'm going to see if I can get YouTube on my DS so I can actually make it way easier to do this without having to make it terrible. 15 gold? A non-chaos emerald. Oh, that is actually one of the best items I could have gotten right now. Oh, a spider and a purple guy and this. Oh no. Talk about Superman. By the way, this game is insanely hard. I recommend you try to get it. Oh my god, my tablet's dirty and I keep slipping. It's trap room. It isn't. It says, shows that nobody stands. That's actually adorable. So, looks like I'm flying. But I'm pretty sure that just makes me faster and harder to hit. Okay, heart, and then a heart. It's a snake, and kill the bunny. Superman. Okay. I'm not sure if this music is copyright or not. And if it is, I'll get a strike. No deal, I'll just turn the music off. But these strikes are bad, I know. It's a trap! Right, I forgot I already got the item room. Orange slime. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh my god, it's like the envy fight. Just kill it. Uh, uh, rubber cement would be good right now. Actually, I'm not sure that's what it's called in this game. Oh, you see this? Uh, um, um, um. Yeah, sorry if the coloring is weird. My game screen recorder has farted and barely works correctly. Unless I just have to get Dad to figure out how this works. Die, you stupid little slimes. I don't give a heck. It's just, oh no, I'm still tiny. A heart room. That's actually really useful. Heart rooms, if you don't know what they are just this. They just give you a crap ton of hearts. So we can take our damage on this floor. Oh, snakes, lasers, and spikes in one room. This game is... Like, who are these guys? Just men in purple suits? Oh. A bunch of sands is... I can risk it. I shouldn't... When am I going to get to the item room? A coin hidden behind my move thingy. Oh yeah, no one's commented yet. Besides one person. What should I call you guys? I can't call you Chili Addies or Bros. Those are taken. Can't call you Houdinis. This is bad choice. Okay, I can risk that. Oh, what does that do? That is really cool. We got one of my favorite items in the game. Oh my god. I can fit in between these. Oh my god, this is... Oh! I didn't know there would be a spider in there. Could've told me that, game. Okay. So we're now not to go to another item room. And actually just to explore every part of the dungeon. Yeah, my Cthulhu eye is just gonna kill everybody. He's like a smarter peep. Oh no, this one that vomits. I actually did a video in the past, which never got uploaded. It just wouldn't work. And I fought this guy on the second floor. Oh, can't touch this. Ah, I don't give a crap. Just kill it. Kill them all. Oh, such coinage. Just kill him, peep. Didn't even have to move. Yeah. Forgot about that guy. I'll come back. Oh, that's actually a trap detector. Oh, pretty sure the meat gives you health, but what does this do? Should I eat it? HP up. Oh! Let's see what it is. What the actual heck? That is awesome. So glad I paid for that. And I have more health. Oh, if I get like one more coin, I can get the other thing there. So let's go buy that scroll thing. Because I'm not going to rebuy that key. Let's see what it does. Hit all enemies and... No! Aw, Necro Skull. I don't care about you. I just want my little mushroom quest. Get enough money. There should be enough money if I can't. There's a lot more areas. Cause this just like, oh, okay, just 6 more coins and we can get the mushroom back. Mage soul. Oh, unless there's a boss that drops all money. No, not him. This is like one of the most annoying boss fights I could ever want to fight. Like, yeah, good job, Peep. Should Cthulhu. I'm so sad that. Was this Boo Werns? Boo Werns! Oh my god! Oh, I love the references, especially from Simpsons. Boo Werns! Boo! I was saying Boo Werns. Oh. So basically my bullets can pass through walls. One of the best items in the game, actually. I mean, I haven't gotten most of the items in the game. This is a fully fledged game. Do not call it Binding of Isaac. If it looks like it and plays like it, well, who cares? I mean, it's a good game. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's wrong for a game to copy another game, but this isn't copying. They remade, well, didn't even remake it. They just made their own game. Based off, oh my god, another one on the same run? Oh, I'm overpowered now. I can shoot through walls, and I'm fighting you. Like, just die. Really, I only took 1 heart of damage from that. Not even that, half a heart. Oh. I think this game is glitching. But my video's about to end soon. Oh, the beggar! Before we do anything with the beggar, first check this. Oh. OMG. Let's just hope we don't get the black goggles. Hello? Are you going to... Rat size. I'm even smaller! 2 rat sizes in one game. Panic. What does that do? I don't care. I just use my Necroma scroll. Wow. I can't even see where I am anymore. I think that's actually bad. Something else. Again? Round 2 then. And I'm pretty much overpowered right now. Like, you can barely even see me. Like, look at me. This eye is bigger than me. I'm an ant. Oh my god. What if I get another rat size on the same run? Good choice. That would be good if I can find a beggar again. Oh, I can't even tell where I am now. Ah, isn't this adorable? No!